If you've ever lost your mind over a rusted, stripped out, or frozen screw that just will not budge, stop stripping your sanity and look at this. This is the SK40 piece manual impact driver set. And it's an absolute lifesaver for stubborn fasteners. I was doing a caliper rotor job. You know those rotors, they've got that Phillips screw. Man, this is a lifesaver. First off, SK didn't skimp on the variety here. You're getting a heavy-duty, half-inch reversible driver, plus both 3/8 inch and 5/16 inch bit holders. Inside the case are 40 pieces of pure problem-solving power, including Phillips, slotted, hex, torque, and even spline bits. The build quality is exactly what you want when you're swinging a hammer. The body is a solid black alloy steel, and the bits themselves are forged from high-strength S2 and chrome vanadium steel. That means they don't twist or shatter under pressure when you give them a good whack. And yes, it's fully reversible, so if it tightens or loosens with a quick twist. The pros: an incredible variety of bits for the price, a rock solid build, and a killer 4.9 star rating.